Hey, future doctors, welcome to Crack NEET Bio, your ultimate one stop destination to score a perfect 360 out of 360 in NEET biology. I am Dr. Karthika, and here on this channel, we are on a mission not just to study biology, but to master it the smart way. If you're a NEET aspirant dreaming of an MBBS seat in a top medical college, this channel is made just for you. Here's what you'll get on Crack NEET Bio. Previous year question paper discussions solved in depth with explanations and clear visuals so you don't just memorize, you understand. Concept clarification from both 11th and 12th biology, chapter by chapter. Exam winning strategies, smart ways to approach, attempt, and ace NEET biology. High retention mnemonics and memory hacks to make even the hardest facts stick. Tips and tricks to save time, reduce silly mistakes, and boost your confidence. So why this matters? Biology is your golden ticket to NEET success. With 90 questions worth 360 marks, getting the subject right can change your rank from average to top all India rank. And with Crack NEET Bio, you will have everything you need to make that happen. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and share this with your fellow NEET warriors. Because here at Crack NEET Bio, we don't just study, we crack it. Let's begin this journey to 360 out of 360 together. Are you ready? Let's crack NEET Bio like never before.
Crack it, crack NEET Bio.